Welcome to your 10 minutes Pilates workout, all to strengthen our core. Let's begin. Lying on your side, lift your hips nice and tall, pull up and in. We're gonna first bring the leg in front and bring it behind. That's it, but tighten up through the core muscles, the center of your body. That's right, your core. Pilates works on the center. So think about pulling in your abs, doing the best you can. Lengthen the legs, point your toes. Feel length through the entire body. That's it. Hold, stretch. Good, breathe. Last one. Bring it forward and relax. And now slowly bring the heel towards you. Lift the inner thighs. That's it. Tone and tighten through the legs. Beautiful. Just think about good posture. Breathe. Inhale and exhale. That's it. Inhale and exhale. Great. Trim and slim the legs. Lengthen through the legs. Great. Two more. Last one. Beautiful. And come all the way up. Hold it to gate. Hold. Lift. That's it. And now circle the leg all the way around. Little circles. Lengthen through the chest. That's it. And reverse the circle. Little circles. That's it. Balance. Pull your abdominals in. That's it. Hold it. And release. Come all the way up and over. Stretch it out. That's it. Feel the length through the spine. And relax. And let's go to the other side. When you're lying there, make sure your abs are pulled up and in. And let's bring your leg forward. Stretch it back. Beautiful leg swing. Lift and squeeze through the buttocks. Lengthen your legs. Great for your thighs. Beautiful. That's it. Strengthen and lengthen at the same time. Tone and trim and stretch. Great. That's it. We got two more. Really feel the toes reaching so your leg is lengthening. Last one. Great, and hold. And now slowly bring your leg in front and inner thigh toners. That's it. Really reach your inner thigh. Really tighten up through your inner thighs. Great for the lower abdominals. That's it. Do the best you can. Breathe. Lengthen and exhale. That's it, you're doing great. Smile, we're gonna really feel good. That's it, 10-minute Pilates, last one. That's it, and come all the way up. Hold the length right here. Lengthen the body. That's it, beautiful. And bring your leg out, and let's do little baby circles. Circle like a little pencil. Lengthen that leg, make it longer. That's it, beautiful. And reverse, little circles, leg circles. That's it, great. Hold it there, hold it. Lift and stretch. Great, and now slowly come all the way down on your back and roll one vertebrae at a time. Take your time, use your abdominals. Let's begin with the 100. The knees come straight forward, and now press, and breathe. Breathe. Tighten up that tummy, the core muscles, your abdominals, the center of your body. That's it. Great. Hollow out through the abs, nice and flat right here. Press the small of the back into the mat. Great. You got it. Two more. Last one. And try to lengthen your legs now if you can. Lengthen the legs. Now hold it. Just hold it right there. Just lengthen the legs. And bring your knee to the chest. And single leg stretch. And switch. And switch. Beautiful. Breathe. Breathing's important to exhale so you feel your abs pull down when you exhale. Like you're deflating the balloon. Good. You got it. That's it. We got two more. Last one. And relax your neck. Beautiful. Straight legs forward. And now in between your legs, I want you to reach reach. That's it. Beautiful. Your legs strong and straight, quadriceps toned, and reach in between. That's it. You got this. Beautiful. You have 2 more. Great for the lower part of your abdominals. Last one. And release. And bring your knees to your chest and roll like a ball. Just roll like a ball. Massaging your spine, working your abdominals, the center, the core. All reaching through the abdominals. That's it. One more. Come all the way up. And let's try a teaser. Lift your legs to a V. Hold it up there. Hold it up there. Tighten up through the abdominals. Lift, lift, lift. Give it a try. It's worth it. Just try, try, try. Okay, relax. And now straight legs. Straighten out your legs. Lift the chest up. And switch. And switch. Beautiful. Use your abdominals. That's it. You're doing great. Breathe. That's it. You got that. 2 more. Last one. Beautiful. And relax. Relax your neck. And just reach your knees to each side, legs apart, and shift your hips. That's it. Just shift the hips. Good work. Loosen up through the spine, through your hips. You got that. Good. 2 more. Stretch it out. Last one. And now slowly roll up. And let's go in and out. Side to side. That's it. Good. Out and in. Beautiful. You can do it. That's it. Just side to side. Try to point your toes. That's it. In and out. Great. 2 more. Just like that. Last set. Great. Okay. And slowly bring your knees towards your chest. Inhale and exhale. Just drop to the side and to the other side. That's it. Working through the waistline, keeping your abdominals pulled in. Engage the abs. Good technique. Body alignment. Now can you pick up your feet and give it a try, side to side. Just like that. Great. Do the best you can. If this is too difficult, keep your feet on the ground and just shift your knees side to side. Great for the waistline. Great to trim the torso, side to side. Last one. And let's go up to our plank position. Hold your feet straight out. Legs are strong and straight. Hold the Pilates plank. Pull your abdominal muscles up and in. Squeeze through the tummy as well as the buttocks. Pull up and in those tummies. Hold. Isometric hold. And now slowly lift one leg up. Hold it, hold it. Beautiful. Now the other leg, lift up. Hold, 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 hold. Great. Now bring your knees down. Stretch your low back. And now one more time. Up high. There you go. Hold it. And shift your weight back and forward. Just a little bit. That's it. Now just hold it there. Hold, hold. Great. And release. And reverse plank. Turn around and place your feet right in front of you. Lift your hips up. Stretch through your chest. Hold up. Reverse plank. Hold it up here. You got that. Come on, you can do it. It's worth it. Strong body, strong mind. Because you are worth it. And come back down. Beautiful. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale and stretch to the side. Inhale. Exhale, stretch to the side. Beautiful. Lift up and now curve. Make a C in your abdominals and hollow out the abs. C, stretch and release. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Beautiful Pilates, you did it. Thanks for working out with me. Woo! If you love this workout, I have so much more at DeniseAusitn.com. Try my free trial that you get to do all kinds of different workouts and recipes, eating plans. You will love it. All you have to do is visit DeniseAusitn.com, sign up for your free trial now.